Okay, there is water there. Okay. I tell here, water is how much? 20? Okay, I'm over there. Okay, cool one. Okay, you have pizza, nice pizza. Beautiful. Arabam cover up. You people are already going? You have classes? Which other day we have a fun? When again when I see you? You don't know? Okay, bye bye. I'm going to here. I'm no more son why you kube. Oko. Boy, what I go see ebe na da catch your phone. Ah, mmiri a nwere kịrịkịrị blọkụ n'ime echekwa m na ọgwụkwọ ordinary water o. A ga-adụrụ na m ụnụ ndị na-efolo efolo ụnụ ndị na-achị achị a ụnụ ndị like Eze Kingdom si ya mara ụnụ mma bee kọva ihe niile ya wute ha ụfọdụ ala ya nwa ka kwechiri masterpiece ọ ga-adịrị gị mma master kwa ịhụrụ ebe m nọ big table m ji were ofu mmiri na ịga ọ mee ihe anyị hụrụ ka anyị na-eme obodo anyị obodo ndị ọcha o si kwụ ụgwọ mmiri gị pizza is how much now 38 1 38 it's so yummy can I pay for the one water I pay only water maybe some other day I buy pizza 20 pesos for water that's 3,000 naira na buy osi na-erizi oke ego bụ eji m 3,000 ṅụọ mmiri ị ga-emeli ya nwa mugu yeah thank you let's go yeah ndị nke I like but I ga na supermarket ọ ga na-ewute ha obi ga na-agbalịsi ha aga na supermarket ga wụrụ anya obodo oyibo m bịara onwe m nga mara ka ndị a na-enwe kondọm ate you have golden circle condom okay yeah ate golden circle condom you have it condom okay condom is there golden circle yeah can't give me original one original condom give me original one original condom Ate, you give me original condom. It's not my tongue, why? I'm foreigner, I don't have time to spend. Foreigner, I don't have time to spend. I'm chopping my money. Ate, I'm a foreigner.
Yes, sir. Everyone is a people. You have to follow me.
Why? Because I'm driving off. I don't have time to spend. Foreigner, I don't have time to spend. Give me original condom, please.
No, sir. You have to understand. There's a line.
Line?
There's a line.
Maybe you people don't want me to buy.
No, sir. We don't care if you're a foreigner. There's also Filipino.
My car is outside. I don't have time to spend. Maybe next time.
Then go another.
Okay, don't want to give me a condom. Bye. Bye, body door. I'll check there's some condom. Okay. Where is the head office now? I can enter inside. The head office?
Head office of this.
Yes.
Right, sir.
No, not the owner of not the owner. I want to go inside. Where is the road? Road to go inside. I have some.
Inside of here.
Yeah.
Both ends, sir.
Okay. The downside. Okay, thanks you. How are you? Nice. I'm here now. O si kono nwa bra m obodo oyibo ndị ara Beautiful Maganda. You have gold? Ate? Gold? Gold, diamonds?
Gold.
Yeah, diamonds.
Ear.
Yeah, I see diamond.
Gold earring.
Diamond, no diamond, original diamond, a scale. I have my scale. You don't have original diamond? Where can I have it?
In the middle, in the mall.
Okay, middle of the month. And what a diamond? That's a kingdom area. God, I'm here, gumbo. Him neko. Him neko. Ate. Him neko. Ima prendata. Ate. You have Dom Perignon. Excuse me. Any Dom Perignon, highest drink. You don't have Dom Perignon. Why you don't have Dom Perignon? Why?
Only Moet and Chandon.
Where is the Moet? Where is the champagne? Maintenance is how much?
965.
Why no Dom Perignon? Why the Filipino don't have Dom Perignon? No, but then I won't know where Dom Perignon. At the next time, try to have Dom Perignon. This is my best drink.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nice. Beautiful. But what an Asia, Coco. Pia, how are you? You have people have the best bed?
Best bet.
Yeah, the best bed this year. Okay. Enjoying my Asia. How are you? Okay, see them. The best bed. The best bed where my baby can lie down and have some special rest. My baby girl needs some special bed.
What size, sir?
I don't know. Show me the size you have. Show me. Let me see the bed you have. The best bed. The best bed. This one is how much? The bed where my baby will lie and no complaint. 5,800. The best bed. The spring bed where my baby girl can lie without no complaint, no stress, no. You understand now, baby girl, Asia women, their complaint. This one?
Yes, sir.
This is not the best bed now, spring bed where baby girl can lie down
you need a spring bed.
and feel so relaxable now.
You need a spring bed, sir?
Yeah, you have it?
We don't have, sir.
Why?
Our home, sir.
Your home?
We have a home. Available spring bed.
Okay, maybe next time. Wardrobe is how much? Wardrobes? Okay, 4-1. Yeah, okay. See the bed? See that bed? This bed is how much? Yeah. One 4. I have more. 114 something. I got drawn on my. Only one then I like. Peace out, one love.